Hello guys, today is day 20, May 27, and today we are continuing the environment series which we did yesterday. So this is ultimately going to make you score at least 20 to 30 marks extra beyond what you are now targeting. Maybe now you are hitting 90 out of 200, you will reach 120. Okay, that's our guarantee. So this is again the subject-wise test series, and also the pack 1 is now reopened for batch 6. That details is also out. You can go and check our YouTube channel. Yesterday we have put that video. And the Vice courses videos which are like helping people understand issues in news. Okay, this is going like getting very good responses, and see to it that you share it with your WhatsApp friends or your family, because these are general topics. Okay, that is why it's put in Vice courses channel. Please see to it that you share this link to everyone, because this channel deserves to grow as per the response which we get. So please see to it that you support us and then share this kind of video links everywhere. Okay, whatever videos are like maybe like against your stand, and these things can be told in comment section. Whatever you give the feedback, it will be answered in the next day's video. Okay, because there had been instance of some comments in one of the video, and the next day we answered it. So please see to it that you give your feedback. We'll give you more and more feedback in every day's episode. So check your score. And today's first question: which of the following locations under the CATS program are matched correctly? Okay, so there is a Sikhote Alin Natural Reserve marked to Japan, then Chitwan National Park, Bhutan, Lansdowne Forest Division, India. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 only, 1, 3 only, 3 only. So you will learn two things out of it: the location of the three reserves, and also what is this CATS program. Okay, so because these are things which UPSC has a tendency to pick up. Okay, environment, forest, agriculture, these are the favorite topics now. At least 30 to 40 questions out of 100 are going to be from these areas, and you have to be very much thorough in this. Okay, so we have a huge number of tests for these type of topics. So please, my students, please revise. Others, you can come back to enroll. So here the answer is 3 only. The India one is matched correctly. Okay, so this conservation assured, that is the CATS. Okay, is a new conservation tool to set minimum standards for effective management of target species and to encourage assessment of these standards in relevant conservation protected areas. The first species specific CA standards are for the tiger. Okay, Panthera tigris is the scientific name. Conservation assured tiger standards is a partnership between governments, NGOs, and tiger conservation areas to define and implement these conservation standards. Becoming a part of CATS program provides countries individual tiger conservation areas or network of areas with the opportunity to demonstrate commitment and success in protecting wild tigers. CATS vision is to ensure wild tigers have spaces to live and breed safe from resulting in increased populations and recovery of range. Under the accreditation system of CATS, tiger conservation areas provide evidence under 7 pillars and 17 elements of critical management activity to demonstrate that they meet a range of criteria for effective conservation management. To date, 3 sites, okay, that is Lansdowne Forest Division in Uttarakhand, India, Chitwan National Park is in Nepal, not Bhutan, and Sikhote Alin Nature Reserve is in Russia, okay, not in Japan. So these have been awarded CATS approved status. Okay, so we have given the links also. Students can go and click on that link and see more conserved area sites. Which of the following is true about Kashmir stag or hangul? It is the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir. In India, it is found only in Jammu and Kashmir. It is critically endangered as per IUCN. It is a subspecies of red deer which is native to India. So one animal is being picked up every year, and UP is asking detailed question. 2020 it was about elephants. They asked about the gestation period of elephants, whether they move in groups, whether the female are more important than the male. So that kind of very very detailed GK type questions, statements are being formed about one particular animal. Okay, about camel they have asked, about tiger they have asked, snow leopard they may ask. Okay, snow leopard, hangul, crocodile. These are things which are expected in the future years. So you have to know, and our test series have a detailed question of about all the animals which are possibility to be asked. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4 2 only, 1 3 4 1 2 3. So answer is 1 3 4. It is found only in Jammu and Kashmir. It is wrong. It is found in Himachal Pradesh also. Hangul is indeed the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir and the only surviving subspecies of the red deer. Okay, so statement 4 is also true. At the Dachigam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir, that's again an info for you, 22 kilometers from Srinagar, employees and volunteers of wildlife organizations are participating in a rather tough biennial exercise. Okay, biennial means every 2 years. So they are looking for footmarks, fecal pellets, and other signs to determine the number of hanguls or the Kashmiri red stags. And the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir. The stags boast magnificent antlers of 11 to 16 points, which they shed during the mating season in March another indicator used by surveyors to estimate the number of males during the census. Okay, so this shedding of this thing, this kind of GK fact, hope UPSC don't ask, but please be aware, okay, because we are teaching you. So again, Down to Earth magazine is what we referred to take this particular picture, the numbers, like how much it is reducing and how much it is increasing per year. Okay, because there is a Project Hangul, which is for the conservation. Project Tiger is there, Project Elephant is there, and the last Independence Day, Prime Minister has announced Project Lion and Project Dolphin as well. Recently, Operation Save Kurma was in news. Which institute has conducted and coordinated the same? National Board of Wildlife, National Board Wildlife of India, World Wildlife Fund India, Wildlife Crime Control Board, National Tiger Conservation Authority. So in one question, four important bodies which are very very important. Okay, these are given, which you have to ideally know every detail, like when was it like originated, and who is the chairman of this board, and whether it has any like the regional offices. So very very important it is, because UPSC have asked a question on National Tiger Conservation also and National Wildlife Board also. Okay, UPSC have asked question. So you can predict a question on Wildlife Control Board or Wildlife Fund. So here answer is WCCB, Wildlife Crime Control Board. It has convened a species-specific operation on turtles, code named Operation Save Kurma. So a total of this much. So it's like full details are there. You have to know about the body. It is a statutory body established by the Government of India under Ministry of Environment and Forest to combat organized wildlife crime in the country. The bureau has its headquarters in New Delhi and 5 regional offices. And then under this act, it is mandated to collect and collate intelligence related to organized violent crime activities and to disseminate the same to the state and other enforcement agencies for immediate action so as to apprehend the criminals. And more details given. These are all the activities or tasks it will undergo. So please see to that you read this. And there are other tests also where specific questions to this body is there. And there's a revision chart which compares all these 4 bodies. So please revise. We are expecting a question on this. So which of the following are true about Bengal florican? It is endemic to India, with majority of them found at West Bengal. It is listed as critically endangered by IUCN. It is the state bird of West Bengal. So again, a GK type question based on a species. This is in environment set number 2, MCQ number 60. So my students can go and refresh the PDF and quickly revise today itself all the 100 MCQs. So this is, series itself is made because of this, so that you take up the PDF each day and be ahead of other competitors who are studying from other channels. So the Bengal florican, the scientific name is given here. Even that Bengal term is there. It is also called Bengal bustard. It is a bustard species native to Indian subcontinent, Cambodia and Vietnam. Okay, so it's endemic to India is wrong. Endemic to India means it's found only there. So it is found in many places. So statement 1 is wrong, and you could have eliminated A and B. Now C and D is there, where 2 is directly true, that is it is critically endangered. Now it is not the state bird of West Bengal. The state bird is this white-throated kingfisher. So that is also wrong. Okay, so answer is 2 only. Which of the following is false about Northern River Terrapin? Okay, so this environment set 2, actually this test is based on all the species and protected areas. That is why all the questions today are like this. Okay, environment set 1 was about environment terminology, then 3 will be something else, and 4 will be something else. All 4 were designed to deal with certain set of topics. Okay, that's why today's questions all are dealing with species. So here one of the statement is false. Okay, meaning 3 statements are true. So it is critically endangered turtle as per IUCN. It can live in both freshwater and brackish water. It is endemic to India and protected only in the Sundarbans. It is omnivorous in feeding habit. So one of them is false, which is the one which is false about Northern River Terrapin. So again, it is a species which is native to Southeast Asia. Okay, meaning it's not like endemic to India and protected only in Sundarbans. These things are wrong. It is indeed protected there, but this endemic to India is wrong. Okay, so other things are true. It is omnivorous in nature, meaning it can feed on both this vegetarian thing and the other things also, other animal species also it can eat. Then it is critically endangered. It is true. It can live in both freshwater and brackish water. That is also a distinct feature of this. So that is the questions for today. Please subscribe so that we can keep the content alive, and share all our video links to your contacts, because these are going to change the way the netizens people they approach a topic. Okay, you have to learn the right facts, because everybody likes debating, everybody likes to share with others like what happened, did you know that this happened, but you have to know the right facts. So please see to it that you learn from the right source. I'll come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.